Many Rivers to Cross was written by Jimmy Cliff and released in 1969, and since then there have been loads of cover versions because it's such a great tune. Probably the most popular cover of this tune was by UB40, which did really well in the UK charts. The bass line's simple to play, so it's suitable for all levels of bass players, but it's very effective. That simplicity really kind of works in this tune. And the story goes that they recorded this at the end of a long session. Jimmy Cliff started playing this and the band apparently just joined in and they did a take. And I think that kind of adds to the laid back feel and kind of spacious feel to this song. I've transcribed the whole bass line note for note. You can pick that up for free below. There's a link in the description. Just join my mailing list and I'll send you a free copy. That's in standard notation and tab. Before you go any further, make sure that you pause the video now and subscribe to my channel here on YouTube by pressing the red subscribe button in the corner of the screen. The main part of this song is divided into 4 bar sections with the following chord progression. Half a bar of F, half a bar of A minor, half a bar of B flat, half a bar of A minor, half a bar of B flat, half a bar of C, half a bar of F, and half a bar of C. So that's kind of repeated round and round for the majority of the song. First of all, let's just work on the first line. There's an organ intro. That's 6 bars long, and then vocals starts, that kind of verse or the first form, and the bass comes in after 4 bars of vocals with a pickup. Now once you've learnt these first 4 bars, you can play that for the whole tune if you want, apart from a little bridge section I'll show you. But there are variations that happen each time round for this 4 bar section, and I'll show you those afterwards. So we've got this groove. Okay, and the first time around when we hit the B flat, that's just held on, but for the rest of the times you play it, you're playing the same groove. Okay, so starting on F, so the 3rd fret of the D string, so F, F, A. So I play that on the 5th fret of the E string, I fret it. You can play the open A if you want. I prefer, when you're playing slow bass lines, I prefer not to have open notes where I can help it, okay? So F, A, and then B flat, fret 6 of the E string, hold that for 2, and then A flat, back to B flat, and then to C, that's the 3rd fret of the A string, and then we've got these 16th notes, so D, E, F, okay? Again, you can use an open D if you want, okay, it's entirely up to you. So from the C, F, C, and then okay, they're faster notes, 16th notes, C, D, F, D, okay, that last bar. Now, you really have to play this bass line with a laid back feel, really on the back of the beat. If you listen to the band doing it, they're really playing behind the beat. Okay, it suits this kind of reggae style. So I'm going to do a playthrough video of that. You can check me out doing that. I had to really concentrate just to get it right behind the beat. So make sure that's something that you're thinking about when you're playing this. It's really suited to a kind of P bass type sound. Just take a little bit of top off if you've got a J bass or another bass. You can play it on anything, but you want that nice kind of thuddy sound. So let's play the first 2 bars. So get ready on F. Okay, 3, 4. Okay, now before you play the 8th note each time, have a little gap, okay? Okay, that really kind of emphasizes the rhythm a bit more. And then the next 2 bars, B flat, okay? 3, 4. Okay, so you're probably going to have to practice that, those little 16th note, that little group of 4 16th notes at the end, okay? So practice that a few times and then try it through. I'm going to play it all the way through. Come with me if you want to, or just listen. Okay, 3, 4. Okay, so that's the first 4 bars that bass plays. If you're enjoying this lesson, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel. You can do that by pressing the red subscribe button on the corner of the screen. And also if you click the bell and select all, then you'll get notified as soon as I bring a new video lesson. So do that and you won't miss out. So as I said, you can play those 4 bars round and round, but there are some variations. So I'm going to show you them now. So we're going to look from bar 15. Okay, so it starts the same. Okay, then we've got 2 16th notes. Okay, so that's leading to B flat. We've just got a C in front. So C, A. And then carry on as usual. Okay, so that's nice, that bar, B flat, B flat, B natural, C. Okay, when I do those, I jump to B flat here on the first fret of the A string. So from bar 3 of that, those 4 bars. Okay, so from the C, 1, 2, ba, ba, ba. So they're triplets. So we've got 3 8th notes actually in that beat, 3 8th note triplets. So 1, 4. Okay, so that bar again. Okay, and then this bar. So we've got F, F, C, D, F, F, D, C, D. Okay, C, D, F, F, D, C, D. Okay, I'll play that the whole line. 3, 4. Okay, now you could use, when you're halfway through leading to that B flat to go to C, you could use an open A before that, because before that, so the second bar, you could play the open A and it gives you time to shift to the B flat if you want. Okay, so again, these kind of different fingering options are entirely up to you and it's really a matter of preference. So try a few out and see what you like best. The busiest line in the whole bass line is later on. It's the line that starts on bar 39. Remember, there's a free PDF. You can get that by clicking the link below in the description. I've got all of this on there. Okay, I'll play that for you. Okay, so these variations, we're just adding a few more notes in there. They're basically the same. Okay, just some more kind of adds interest to the bass line. So the first bar, and then we've got F, A, B flat, okay? And then B flat, and then octave. So that's A, B flat. You have to shift quite a lot to get those. So the second bar, and then B flat, okay, B flat, A, B flat, C, and then C, D, E, F, okay, from the third bar. Okay, 1, 2. And the note on 2 is short. Okay, that's the trickiest line you've got in the whole bass line. I'll play the whole thing again. Join with me if you feel that you can, or if not, just listen. 3, 4. Okay, so there's some of the variations. Now the only different section in the whole bass line is an 8-bar section. It's a kind of bridge. The chords for this section are a bar of B flat, a bar of F. Same again, a bar of B flat, a bar of F. Same again, a bar of B flat and a bar of F. And then we've got a bar of B flat and a bar of C. It's quite repetitive once you learn the pattern. Start on high B flat here, the 3rd fret of the G string with your 2nd finger. Okay, so just B flats, and then B flat, A, G, F, and then F. Okay, F, G, A. Okay, so we're kind of just stepping down from B flat to F and then stepping back up again. And we repeat that twice. So we've got B flat, again, this B flat bar's the same, and then we've got, okay, so that F bar is going down to B flat this time. F, F, D, C, B natural, and then B. And that I use an open A there. It's quite fast. B flat, B natural, C, 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 C. So the last 3 bars. And that's it for the whole bass line. You've now got enough to go away and play the tune. It's quite a short tune. Like I said, it's quite easy to get together, but it's a really nice one to play. And the main focus is really kind of playing behind the beat, just locking with the drums for this. Remember to grab the PDF if you want to look at the exact bass line and play through that. You can get that by clicking the link below in the description. And please like and share this video. That really helps me out. Remember to subscribe to my channel as well. And if you felt you got value out of this lesson, you can always buy me a coffee. They're $5. The link is below in the description, or you can see it on the bottom of the screen here. And that just helps keep these videos, YouTube videos and PDFs free. Let me know how you got on with the lesson. Leave me a comment below. I'd love to hear what your favourite version of this song is and how you got on with the bass line. If you want loads more bass content, then check out my website, gbshed.com. I've got courses over there, t-shirts, loads of different options for t-shirts, bass books, some other free stuff. So check that out. That's gbshed.com. And if you look in the description, there's loads of useful links there. This is Greg from Greg's Bass Shed. Hopefully see you very soon in the next lesson.